Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up teamwork.com invoices and task status updates, full guide step by step clearly. To set up teamwork.com invoices, begin by logging into your Teamwork account. Navigate to the Invoices tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Add Invoice button in the top right corner. Fill in the required details such as the client name and invoice date. Add line items for the services or products you are billing. Specify the quantity and rate for each line item. Adjust tax rates if applicable, and ensure the totals are accurate. Once all information is complete, click on the Save button. To send the invoice, select the Send option from the Invoice menu. Choose the method of delivery, typically via email. Now, shift your focus to updating task statuses. Go to the Projects tab and select the relevant project. Locate the task that needs a status update. Click on the task to open its details. Find the drop-down menu labeled Status. Select the appropriate status such as in progress, completed, or on hold. After making your selection, the change will automatically save. To communicate updates, use the comments section within the task details. Encourage team members to refer to the task for real-time status. Ensure to check back regularly for any updates or feedback. This process will help maintain clarity and efficiency in your projects. Finalize all changes and return to your dashboard to monitor progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.